How to download Tinytask on mobile or for all mobile devices. So basically, we all know that if you head straight into tinytask.net using your device browser, you won't be able to see any files that is compatible with your mobile phone. So what you want to do is just simply type in Tinytask APK. Now there's gonna be plenty of links right here. If you also do have your own source to download this APK Tinytask, you can actually do that. But for this video, we will be trying out the APK Pure version. So just locate this specific A logo right here, and then just simply tap on that. It will automatically redirect you to APK Pure official site. So scroll down a bit, and unfortunately this is um, the version that we can only download for mobile device, which is going to be the 2.0.1. Simply hit on download apk, and once download is complete, install it using enabling the unknown resources. And that's it. That's how you download Tiny Task on mobile and for all devices.